Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to learn about Sieve of Eratosthenes. Sieve of Eratosthenes. S-I-E-V-E, Sieve of Eratosthenes. E-R-A-T-O-S-T-H-E-N-E-S. Eratosthenes. Okay. It is a method to find prime numbers up to 100. Sieve of Eratosthenes is a method to find prime numbers up to 100. It was created by Eratosthenes, a famous Greek mathematician. So this method is known as Sieve of Eratosthenes. Okay. Sieve of Eratosthenes is a method to find prime numbers up to 100. We can find prime numbers and composite numbers using this method, children. It was created by Eratosthenes, a famous Greek mathematician. So this method is known as Sieve of Eratosthenes. Okay. Greek mathematician Eratosthenes in the 3rd century BC found a very simple method called Sieve of Eratosthenes to find the prime and composite numbers. Let me explain this, children. First, place all the numbers from 1 to 100 in a table. Place all the numbers from 1 to 100 in a table. Then cross out 1 as it is not a prime number or a composite number. Next step is cross out 1 because 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 prime number alla, composite number alla, because 1 has only one factor. As you already learned, a prime number has 2 factors and a composite number has more than 2 factors. Okay. The next step is encircle 2. Put a circle on 2. All the numbers divisible by 2 are even numbers. All the numbers divisible by 2 are even numbers. So, cross out all the multiples of 2. Cross out all the multiples of 2. Then next step, encircle 3, cross out multiples of 3. Encircle 5, cross out multiples of 5. Encircle 7, cross out multiples of 7. Encircle 11, cross out multiples of 7. Continue this process till all the numbers in the list are either encircled or crossed out. All the encircled numbers are prime numbers. Rest all the crossed out numbers except 1 are composite numbers. Okay. Children, our first step is place all the numbers from 1 to 100 in a table. The next, cross out 1 because 1 is neither prime nor composite. Next step is encircle 2 and cross out all the multiples of 2. That is all even numbers. All even numbers are multiples of 2. Then encircle 3, cross out multiples of 3. Encircle 5, cross out multiples of 5. Encircle 7, cross out multiples of 7. Encircle 11, cross out multiples of 11. Continue this process till all the numbers in the list are either encircled or crossed out. All the encircled numbers are prime numbers and rest all the crossed out numbers except 1 are composite numbers. Okay. Let me explain this, children. Children, here in this table, here 1 to numbers from 1 to 100 are marked. Okay. Numbers from 1 to 100. Our first step is cross out 1. Cross out 1. because 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay. Next step is circle 2. Encircle 2. Then cross out the multiples of 2. That is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Cross out these numbers because these numbers are multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. Okay. One minute, children. Okay. Then next step is encircle 3. Encircle 3. Then cross out all multiples of 3. Here the 6 is a multiple of 3. Since it is an even number, it is already crossed. So next is 9, then 15, 27, 33, 39, 45, 'We are crossing the multiples of 3. Okay. 63, 69, 93, 99. These are multiples of 3. Okay. Then encircle 5. Encircle 5. Cross out multiples of 5. Cross out multiples of 5. Check the numbers, children. Cross out multiples of 5. 10, 20, 15 are already crossed. Then next is 25. Then the next row 35, 35, then 55, next 65. These are multiples of 5. 75, 80, 85, 95. Okay. These are multiples of 5. Next is encircle 7. Check the multiples of 7. Check the multiples of 7. Here children, no numbers in the first row, in the second row, in third row, in fourth row, in fifth row. 49. 49 is a multiple of 7. 7 sevens are 49. Then in sixth row, children, here 51 is a multiple of 3. So we have to cross that also. Multiple of 3, 51. Then here in the sixth row there is no multiples of 7. Then seventh row it is 63, but it is already crossed. Then in eighth row 77. 7 11s are 77. Then in ninth row there is no multiple of 7, and in 10th row also there is no multiple of 1 minute children. In last row there is a multiple of 7, that is 91. 91. 91 is a multiple of 7. So it is crossed. '81 is a multiple of 3. So cross it out. Okay. Now children, check the other numbers. That is the numbers which are encircled. Encircled. Check that numbers. The numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, which are not crossed children. Two, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, then 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, then 41, 43, 47, then 53, 59, 61, then 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. These numbers are prime numbers between 1 and 100. Okay, this method is called the sieve of Eratosthenes. Sieve of Eratosthenes. Okay, children, let me explain this once more. This is a method to find the prime numbers up to 100. We can find the composite numbers also using this method, children. Our first step is cross out 1. cross out 1. 1 cross ചെയ്യുക. Because 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay. Then the next step is encircle 2. 2 ഇങ്ങനെ circle ചെയ്യുക. Then cross out the multiples of 2. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 96, 98, 100. Okay, these numbers are crossed. That is all even numbers. Even numbers means the numbers ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These numbers are even numbers. So here we crossed out all multiples of 2. Then our next step is cross out, encircle 3. 3 circle here. Then cross out the multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. Here 6 is a multiple of 3, but we already crossed it. So next is 9. Okay, 9. That is we are doing the multiples of 3. Okay, 9. Then 15. 15. Then 21. Multiples of 3 children. 27, 33, 39, 45, 51, 57, 63, 63, then 69, 75, 81, 87, 93, 99. Okay, these are multiples of 3. Next step is encircle 5 and cross out the multiples of 5. Cross out. Cross ചെയ്ത നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഇനി നമ്മൾ നോക്കരുത്. ക്രോസ് ചെയ്യാത്ത നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ടോ നോക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾസ് ഓഫ് 5. സോ ഹിയർ 25, then 35, then 55, 65, 85, 95, 100. Okay, 100. These are multiples of 5 which are not crossed. Okay, next step is encircle 7 and cross out the multiples of 7. Cross out the multiples of 7. We have to check each row, children. $77. 11 sevens are 77. So 77 is a multiple of 7. $91. 91 is a multiple of 7. Okay. So we crossed out the multiples of 2 first, then 3, then 5 and 7. Now we have to find the other numbers, the numbers which are not crossed out. Okay. So which are the numbers, children? In the first row, first you find out the numbers which are encircled. The encircled numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. That is in the first row. Then check the second row. Second row, that is the numbers which are not crossed out. The numbers which are not crossed out. Cross the numbers. In second row, the numbers which are not crossed out are 11, 13, 11, 13, 17, 19. That is in the second row. Okay. Then in the third row, 23, 29. In the third row, 23, 29. Okay. Then in the fourth row, 31, 37. 31, 37. Then in the fifth row, 41, 47. Sorry children, one more number is there, 43. Sorry, 41, 43, 47. Okay. Then in the sixth row, 53, 59. 53, 59. Okay. Then in the seventh row, 61, 67. The seventh row. And in the eighth row, 71, 73, 71, 73, 79. Okay. And in the ninth row, 83, 89. 83, 89. Then in the last row, the only number which is not crossed out is 97. 97. Okay. These are the prime numbers between 1 and 100. 1 and 100. Okay. So children, This is a method to find prime numbers up to 100. To find the prime numbers up to 100, you should follow these rules, these steps. That is, cross out 1 first because 1 is neither prime nor composite. Then encircle 2 circle here. Then cross out all the multiples of 2, that is even numbers. Cross out all multiples of 2. All the multiples of 2 are even numbers. Even numbers means the numbers ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay. Then encircle 3. 3 circle here. Then cross out the multiples of 3. Then encircle 5. Cross out the multiples of 5. Okay. Then cross out 7. Sorry children. Encircle 7. Encircle 7 circle here. Cross out the multiples of 7. You can continue like this. Okay. Then you check out the numbers which are not crossed out and find the numbers which are encircled. Here we can find that the prime numbers between 1 and 100 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. 2 is the smallest prime number which is even also. Okay. So children, today you learn about to find the prime numbers in between 1 and 100 using the method sieve of Eratosthenes. It was created by a famous Greek mathematician. Okay. Hope you all understood this topic. If you have any doubt about this topic, please send me a message. Thank you children.